Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily share a template on CapCut with friends. So in here, I've already opened the CapCut apps and you can just head to the templates tab. Then here, just choose the templates that you want to share. For example, I want to share this templates right here. So to easily share it, first you can just click on the three dots icon in the template and choose the where you want to send. You can choose between this, or you can also copy the link first, for example, and you can open the media that you want to share it. For example, I want to share it through Instagram, so open your Instagram and your direct message, for example. Then here, click on the friends that you want to share the template with. For example, I'm going to share with this one, and here just paste the link and click on send. So now the templates will be shared to your friends, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.